In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram story music no result found problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you tap on Instagram apps and you can see that apps info and go down. Already you can see that storage. Tap on storage and you can see that clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear data. Okay, and you go to permission. Now you have to get permission from all of them. All permission allow. Allow apps notification. Allow notification and go back your home screen. Tap on Play Store and tap on search button and you search them Instagram apps. Already your Instagram is updated. Okay, tap on Instagram app. If you found this video, please subscribe my channel.